Hey everyone, the Asus ROG Xbox Ally has surfaced just ahead of Gamescom 2025, offering a fresh take on the portable gaming market with clear ambitions to bridge the gap between handheld consoles and full-fledged gaming PCs. Initially spotted on Amazon US before the listing was taken down, the device confirmed several key specifications and sparked anticipation for its official unveiling. At first glance, the ROG Xbox Ally stands out with its clean white finish and the promotional hashtag #PlayAllYourGames, signaling its emphasis on versatility. It features a 7-inch Full HD touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 500 nits of brightness, and a 7-millisecond response time, making it well-suited for fast-paced gaming without compromising portability. Beneath the display, Asus has equipped the handheld with AMD's Ryzen Z 2A processor, leveraging Zen 5 CPU cores alongside RDNA 3.5 integrated graphics. This combination is designed to strike a balance between efficiency and gaming performance, ensuring that both PC and Xbox titles can run smoothly. Memory and storage are in line with modern gaming expectations. The handheld includes 16 gigs of dual-channel LPDDR5 RAM and a 512 gigs PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD, with the option to upgrade if more space is needed. Since the device runs on Windows 11 Home, users get full access to the PC gaming ecosystem in addition to Xbox full screen mode, effectively turning the device into a hybrid between a console and a compact PC. Asus has also worked on making navigation and control seamless by integrating Armoury Crate SE with the Xbox Game Bar, allowing users to customize settings and manage performance with ease. Design is another area where Asus has leaned heavily on familiarity. The curved grips mimic those of the Xbox wireless controller, giving players a comfortable and recognizable feel. Powering everything is a 60-watt-hour battery, which should provide decent playtime depending on game intensity, though extended sessions will likely require frequent charging given the power demands of the hardware. In terms of pricing, early leaks suggest that the ROG Xbox Ally will launch in Europe at €599, while the higher-end ROG Xbox Ally X is expected to cost €899. While US pricing remains unconfirmed, the Amazon listing indicates that details will be revealed very soon, most likely during Gamescom's opening announcements. Overall, the ROG Xbox Ally looks to be Asus's strongest step yet into handheld gaming, combining PC flexibility with console-level accessibility. Its launch timing, hardware balance, and Xbox-branded design language position it as a serious contender against both traditional handhelds and portable PCs. And the official reveal at Gamescom is set to clarify how it will fit into an increasingly competitive market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.